god. Wait, how we get there? And how come we're in a cage? Huh? Wait, what are you? Shut up! Anyways, did you all maggots taking care of yourselves? I don't think so, because we're taking care of the eggs for the king's choice. And speaking of the king, he's here right now. Thank you very much, Corporal. Hello there, birdies. So, how's it feel to be in the cage? Like, being in a bird cage, huh? Tweet, 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 tweet. You're just so weird. Yeah, can I agree more? Whatever. At least for the best part, I've taken care of all the eggs. But not only that, I have the blue one. The blue one that I needed. Wait, you've been using it this whole time? How could you? It's none of your business, Birdie. But, as for you guys over there, you ain't gonna stop me. Or not even the free birds who's still in. Wait, free birds. Wait, Corporal, you didn't tell me that. We tried, but, they let them escape. Crap. Well, bring all the minion pigs over there and assemble them to find them. Yes, sir. And as for you, birdies, stay on this cage until you're not gonna get freed. While I going to eat one of those eggs for the pig dinner. Woohoo! Oh boy, this is not good. Yeah, but we're having probably fate on Random Bomb and Chuck to save us. Yeah, let's hope so.